Hey, hi everyone. Today we will be going through the basics of average. So let's begin. So, what is average actually? So, if we are asked what is average, then we can say that it is like bringing everything at the same level or getting to the middle point of everything. So, suppose there are three consecutive numbers 3, 4, 5. So, we would want to find the average. So the basic formula is average equal to sum of all terms upon number of terms. So here sum will be 3 plus 4 plus 5. One number of terms will be 3. So it will be 7 plus 5 is 12 by 3. Average is 4. So what do we observe? We had 3 terms 3, 4, 5. Of these 3 terms which are consecutive natural numbers, the middle term 4 was the average. So what we can conclude? We can conclude that if we have some consecutive numbers, suppose 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 3, 6 to 8. Let's add one more 11. So 11. So we have 9 consecutive numbers. So whenever we are asked the average, we can clearly say that the middle term of these consecutive numbers will be the average. So how we find the middle terms? 4 here, 4 here. So 7 will be the average. This will be the average. Okay, now coming to the next point. Now the average of all these 9 numbers is 7. So what about the average of the last and the first number? So it's 11 plus 3 is 14 by 2 is also 7. So we observe that whatever is the average of all the number of terms, same is the average of the first and the last term. Same will be for the second last and the second term, third last and the third last term, fourth and the fourth last term. So now this is for if we have number of terms odd. This is odd. Here we had 9 terms. Now let's move on to number of terms is even. Terms is even. So when we have even terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here average will be the middle of the middle two terms. So here between 3 and 4 the average will be 3 plus 4 by 2, or we can directly say is 3.5, and do another middle term. So here also one more thing, the average of the last and the first number will be also 3.5, second last and the third last also 3.5, second last and last. Okay, now suppose we have a question, average of 15 consecutive numbers is 42. Average of 15 numbers is 42. So what we can assume here, number of terms is odd. So directly we can say that 42nd will be the middle term, 42 will be the middle term, since it is the average. We have already seen that the average for odd numbers is the middle term. So the remaining terms are 14. 7 will be this side and 7 will be this side, this side, this side. So 42 plus 7 is 49 and 42 minus 7 is 35. So we can find the number of the terms as this way. Okay, Also, we need to find the smallest, and this is the very largest and the smaller number. Sum, find the sum of the last and the first term. Sum will be directly, we can say that we know that average of the first and the last will be same as the average of the 15 number, so it will be 42, and we need to find the sum. The sum will be multiplied by 2 is 84. Also, the average of the second last and the last and the second last number will also be 42. Okay, now if supposed on these 15 numbers we are asked to find the 12th number, question mark. So we have the first number as 35. Now between 35 and the 12th number there will be 11 numbers, right? So what we do is we directly add 11 to 35, so we get 46. 46th will be the 12th number. Okay, hope you have understood this. If you like this, do let me know. We'll make more videos of this way. Thank you.